Billy World, what's going on? We back with another banger. We gotta go to the store, pick up some items for my dog Ken. He on his way to Georgia to go pick up his mail. So he asked me could I stop by the store. Ain't no issue at all. So we already got his mail prepared and everything. Washed up, walking around the yard, got him everything, stitches out the ears and all that done. So we about to go to the pet store. Cause he did ask for some specific dog food. Ain't no issue with that. It's all about your preference, like I said on the video before. So we head to the store. See y'all there in a minute. Alright, Billy, we just got to the store. It's gonna be quick because they playing a little music. I don't want to get hit with the copyright. But I got a little list, and we're gonna go over the list when I get out of here. So I'll show y'all everything that he wanted me to pick up for him. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Okay, Billy, we got a bed, got a leash down there, and we also got a collar. Now we're looking for some food called Origin puppy food, so we need to find that. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. I don't think they got puppy food though. I called that lady and asked her did they have puppy food. Yeah, we got some. They don't have none. Let me go talk to her for a little while, see what she's talking about. I'll be back with y'all. Okay, YouTube, I was looking in the wrong spot. They got it right here though. Boom. And she, the lady just gave me some good info about it, so it might be something I look into about feeding my puppies. This little 4-pound bag is, let me see here, it's $22. So you can only imagine what this 13-pound bag is. Probably $35. But oh yeah, we gotta get one more thing. We get some canned dog food for him, and I think we can get up out of here. Hopefully they got the canned dog food that he wanted. So it's just something I try to make the experience easy when you come get a puppy from me. That's what I try to tell people all the time. And after this, we about to go meet him and see what's going on. So we'll see y'all in a minute. Let me find the dog food and I'm about to get up out of here. All right, I see y'all. I just seen that quick little guide. I put y'all on some game. The 5-in-1 and the 9-in-1 shot. It's like a little chart on when you're supposed to get your puppies. So like I said, 6 weeks I get my puppies to 5-in-1, and 9 weeks we go to the 9-in-1, and 12 weeks. This will say 15 to 18 weeks, and then you got your annual booster. So there's some good information for y'all to see. All right, Bullet World, we just got everything we need. Now we on the way. So next time y'all see me, we'll be at the meetup spot. See y'all in a minute. We just made a little stop. Uh-oh, he hollering. There you go. There you go. We brought him in the store this time. Hey, he get the hollering bad. He get the showing out. I couldn't even stop and talk about that. He get the showing out so bad. So, we couldn't find no canned food, so I had to come out here. Hush, man. I had to come out here and see if I can find some canned food for my dog, Ken. So we're going to get with y'all in a minute, because I'm pretty sure he about to get the hollering, and we just have to listen to it because it really don't bother me. I'm going to see y'all. Alright, so we had to settle with the Nature's Recipe. We get the Purina one. Yeah, they got a box like this. The whole box. I want the whole box. Yeah, they him right there. Purina one. Check him out. Fresh made bully. We got him in the store with it. Yeah, so. Alright, y'all, so hopefully that's our last stop before we get to where we going, because I'm ready to get there. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, but we'll just quick check in. We back in the store. I done went and met Ken. He got the puppy right now with him. But he from Connecticut, so the dog food in Connecticut, he says, it's twice as much down here, so he about to load up on this Origin puppy food. So there's a few bags in here, and he about to load up on that. He says it's twice as much as that. It's $56 down here. There he is, y'all.
Eyes that get me.
You want to get that right there?
Yeah.
Bullet World, what's going on? We got Ken right here. Told you I want to get him to a drop. He drove all the way down here from Connecticut to pick up his 3-time grand champion Rocco pup off of Gavinci and Onyx. Yeah, man. Beautiful puppy.
For sure, man.
So how was the experience?
Too easy. Too easy. Hey guys, my guy worked with me. 2 hours away from where he's at in Atlanta. I came out here. I drive a truck, so can't access small streets and stuff like that. He came out and took care of business, so appreciate it, man.
I appreciate
Thanks
you,
for
man.
having us.
I appreciate you.
Letting me have this guy.
Yeah, of course I know you're going to keep me updated, so I ain't even got to say that, because we talk on a day-to-day basis anyway.
Yep.
All right, Bullet World, we're going to holler at y'all in a minute. I'm going to get back with y'all when we get to the house.
You didn't even tell me nothing that I held it wrong.
Oh, it's okay. It got it on the back side, too. But, yeah, we're going to get back with y'all in a minute, man. We out. All right, Bullet World, we got back to the house. About to close the video off, man. It was nice meeting you, Ken. Everything was smooth. Good having dog talk with you. I just cleaned up after the bulls. The few we had left. So, yeah, so we got another video coming the day after this. So we gonna stay working. We up. I see y'all, we out, man. I appreciate y'all.